Okay. And that is Greg's. You're telling something about the bottle? Anish ने already बहुत सारे warnings दिए हैं मेरे को about London. Was invented in Sheffield by Queen Elizabeth ने inaugurate किया था. Happy Halloween to you.
Happy Halloween.
बाबा यहाँ graves है. Take a sip and show us the So, आज है यूके में मेरा डे 2 एंड राइट नाउ आई एम इन शेफील्ड. अगर आपने पिछला वीडियो देखा होगा तो आपको आइडिया होगा कि मैं शेफील्ड आया फर्स्ट वीडियो में फ्रॉम इंडिया. एंड यहाँ मैं अपने दोस्त अनीश के घर पे रुका हूँ और आज अनीश मेरे को घुमाने वाला है शेफील्ड सिटी सेंटर. एंड क्या क्या स्पॉट्स हम कवर करेंगे उसका मेरे को कोई आइडिया नहीं है, वो अनीश को पता है, उसको पूछेंगे. एंड फिलहाल ये है, दिस इज स्प्रिंगफील्ड स्कूल. मैं आपको दिखाता हूँ. दिस स्ट्रीट इज सो giving me proper British vibes. Yeah, look at this. And we have plans of going to Sheffield Cathedral as well. देखते हैं. पहले निकलते हैं. अभी मौसम बहुत ठंडा है इसीलिए मैंने ये पहन रखा है. और most probably it's gonna rain after some maybe few hours. पर मुझे अनिश ये बोल रहा था कि यूके का वेदर का देयर इज नो, यू कैनॉट प्रेडिक्ट एनीथिंग. कभी भी धूप आता है, कभी भी इट रेन्स. एंड बाकी आई एम एंजॉइंग अ लॉट. आज डे 2 है और फिर अभी नाउ विल गो, विल वॉक. एंड मोस्ट प्रोबेबली मैं ट्राई करूँगा आज कि हम ट्रैम्स वगैरह में वी विल टेक अ टूर. तो देखते हैं क्या क्या रखा है दिन भर में. सो या स्टे ट्यून्ड इन द वीडियो. लेट्स गो. मैन दिस इज so beautiful. And this is Springfield School. And windy at least for next few. नहीं यार बोल भी नहीं सकते. मैं ये बोलने वाला था कि next few minutes तक बारिश नहीं है, but the moment you say wouldn't rain, it would start raining. What spots are we going to cover today?
Moon Market.
Okay. Moon Market, Cathedral, Museum.
Hopefully.
Okay.
National Video Game Museum. Hopefully it's open.
Okay, National Video Game Museum. All right.
Then we'll go to Meadow Hall. It's the biggest shopping complex here.
Okay.
And in the end we'll go to South Park.
Okay.
Which is like a sunset spot.
All right. Don't say you felt rain. It started to drizzle, huh? जैसे कि मैंने बोला यार यहाँ पे you cannot predict और थोड़ा थोड़ा started to drizzle, but कोई बात नहीं. Huh? So this is a typical English weather. Huh? Just another day. यहाँ पे काफ़ी सारे रेसिडेंशियल प्लेसेस हैं. All these are houses, huh?
Yeah, all these are houses. Usually these are pension houses because people here get tons of pensions after they retire.
Okay.
So even for me, normal people work here.
Okay.
From the government, you need to have allocated funds for your pension that the company will take from your salary.
All right.
And we'll get the entire amount
Once you
exactly the day you retire.
on the same day.
Yeah.
Oh.
So no more waiting in queues asking for can I get a pension? Can I get the pension? You'll get the entire pension.
No troublesome stuffs.
So people here buy houses, they buy Porsche, they buy crazy ass Mercedes, they buy Lamborghinis, they buy expensive houses in like Cornwall and all. It's their way of living.
Okay, so this is how the system works here. And क्या बोलो यार, Halloween. Okay, so yeah, by the way Halloween शुरू हो गया है यहाँ पे आज. Today is Halloween, right? Tonight. Okay, तो यहाँ पे you can see people have decorated. 3 skeleton लटके हुए हैं, उसमें से एक skeleton spider का है. Nice.
Is it typical English post box?
Okay, English post box.
Royal Mail.
ओके अच्छा यहाँ पे रॉयल मेल है ना हाँ ओके
£1,000
£1,000 is like more than
for a studio en suite.
okay £1,000 would be more than I guess
1 लाख के ऊपर
1 लाख के ऊपर 1,11,000 आसपास हो जाएगा I guess so because £1 is equals to 116 Indian currency. What is this supermarket?
Yeah, so this is Pakistani Albanian supermarket.
Okay.
They'll buy rice and spices.
Everything from here. Okay. So this is I forgot the name. Al Amir International Supermarket. This is a Pakistani supermarket, huh? Yeah. Okay. That means you can get most of the Indian stuffs यहाँ पे. One thing यहाँ पे observe किया मैंने और Anish ने बताया that the number plates of the cars or even for the buses also, right Anish?
Yeah.
Buses for any car and buses, huh? Front में it's white number plate and पीछे it's yellow. So that's a new thing that I saw. So after walking for nearly 5 to 6 minutes, we reached Moor Market. This entirely is Moor Market, huh? Okay. Are things costly, expensive or cheap
Oh,
or
it's
what?
cheap. Moor Market is like the normal marketplace of the city. Every city has got a city center. Every city has got a marketplace in the city center. For Sheffield,
okay.
it's the Moor Market.
Moor Market. So we are currently at the city center.
Yeah, it's like a proper city center.
So we are in Moor Market and that is Greg's. और वहाँ से हमने लिया this for breakfast. That is Southern fried chicken baguette and this one and some sides. That's fried chicken and water. और हमको पड़ा कितना?
£7.30.
£7.30. 7.33.
Yeah, £7.30.
30 pence.
Yeah.
जो अपने इंडिया में पैसे होते हैं that is called pence and rupees is of course pounds and I tried already. फिर मेरे को याद आया अनिश बोला कि you have to shoot because you are eating and you need to show it to people. So it's of course delicious.
Everything made in Greg's is very fresh. They make it and they sell it, and it's very cheap for breakfast.
So we get chicken, even pork and beef here.
Everything.
People who don't have beef, you have to see. Pork कभी वही सीन है. And also mention होता है ना.
You'll also get vegan options in every restaurant you go to because
Vegan, right?
vegetarian and vegan food, these are different things in Europe.
Right.
So there are a lot of people who are vegan. Even I know a lot of people who are vegan. So every restaurant has got a vegan option. So if someone is vegan, they can have that as well. This is Sports Direct.
Sports Direct. Okay.
You'll find any sports item here. Anything from cleats to jerseys to normal sneakers. You'll find everything here.
Okay.
That's Pound Bakery.
Pound Bakery.
Part
okay.
of Poundland.
That's Pound Bakery. Okay.
It's part of Poundland.
What is Poundland? Okay, Poundland. Okay.
Now this used to be a supermarket chain which used to sell items for just £1.
£1. Oh, that's why Poundland or Pound.
But now,
Pound
because of the
Bakery.
cost of living crisis, every price has increased. So you wouldn't find a £1 item in Poundland anymore. But it's still pretty cheap. There's Iceland. You'll find all frozen items there.
And
then
Subway, to everyone knows.
Subway is there.
What is Card Factory? We can see Card Factory.
Gift shop.
Gift shop. Huh? Okay. And this is entirely Moor Market. This is fitted
That's a gym
sheets and everything. Okay. This is a gym. Right. आगे बढ़ते हैं. So in the streets of UK, अगर आपको रोड क्रॉस करना हो, सड़क के उस पार जाने का है, then you cannot just run or walk and cross. We have to press a switch. I'll show it later to you. Thank you. So, and इसी तरीके से if someone is coming, especially people who are elder to you, you have to stop and give way to them, right? And they get happy. It's a basic courtesy actually. ये सिर्फ यहाँ नहीं, हर जगह होना चाहिए. But people don't learn. ये कैसे मैं आगे निकल जाऊँ? People just try to do that, but yeah. ये सब शेफील्ड का कल्चर है. Like that. This is the northern UK, right? लंदन का क्या है? I don't know. अनीश ने ऑलरेडी बहुत सारे वार्निंग्स दिए हैं मेरे को अबाउट लंदन. वो तो उधर जाके ही पता चलेगा.
Inside Osseo.
Where?
We'll be going inside Osseo.
Okay. So what's next?
Osseo is the biggest Asian supermarket in the UK at the moment. It's pretty good.
All right. Okay. You're telling something about the bottle?
Yeah, so basically in the UK, bottle caps are always aligned with the bottle.
Okay.
So that when you're disposing it off, it disposes off entirely, not the cap separately.
ताकि लोग कैप इधर उधर ना फेंक दे, है ना?
Because usually India वगैरह में क्या होता है, लोग कैप लिए फेंक दिया, फिर पानी पिया, स्प्राइट
फिर बॉटल भी इधर उधर फेंक दी.
Asian food items inside anything.
Asian food items inside Osseo. Should we go in?
Yeah, go.
Okay. Squid, huh?
Squid Game.
Squid Game, huh? Lower ground, upper ground, 1 and 2. हम कहाँ हैं?
Cambridge Street Collective. The
Cambridge Street Collective.
Yep.
What is it?
It's the biggest food hall in the UK.
In the UK?
Yeah.
Okay. So, Anish ये बोल रहा है कि ये पूरा एक building है that is only for fooding, right?
Yeah, this is like a food court.
Okay.
The entire building is a food court.
Okay. Biggest in the UK. No issues. So right now I am going towards Cambridge Street. ये लिखा भी है Cambridge Street और यहाँ पे है Sheffield City Hall. Okay. Anish, ये क्या है?
This is the monument for Remembrance Day.
Remembrance Day. Actually, अनीश हंस इसलिए रहा है क्योंकि हमने ये हमारा सेकंड टेक है. इससे पहले वी कवर्ड दिस एंटायर प्लेस. फिर हमको पता चला कि हमने यार मैंने कैमरा ऑन ही नहीं किया था. तो इसलिए मैं दोबारा इसको पूछ रहा हूँ. दैट्स व्हाई ही इज लाफिंग. ओके, बट स्टिल विल टेल. दिस इज व्हाट?
This is for Remembrance Day, so people who have lost their lives during World War. There's a monument for them.
Okay.
These red flowers are the poppy flowers. This is the
Okay.
sign of Remembrance Day.
Remembrance, huh? Okay, and this goes like this. Right. Now let's go a little closer to Sheffield City Hall. This is like a theatre hall.
Right now there are theatres going on. Before
Okay.
it used to be the Sheffield City Hall.
ओके ओके, ठीक है. तो अपने वहाँ पे जैसे कम्युनिटी हॉल्स वगैरह होते हैं, ठीक उसी तरीके का दिस इज शेफील्ड सिटी हॉल. एंड ऊपर अगर दिखे आपको देन दैट इज UK's फ्लैग. सो या women's steel. And talking about Sheffield, एक बहुत ही इंटरेस्टिंग फैक्ट मैं बताता हूँ. That stainless steel was invented in Sheffield by Harry Brearley in the year 1913. तेरे को भी नहीं पता था?
No, I had no idea.
Okay. So now we are heading to Cathedral, right?
Yeah.
शेफील्ड कैथेड्रल. एंड चलते चलते दिखा है एक बहुत ही आइकॉनिक चीज़, वो है द टेलीफोन बूथ. सो एक्चुअली आई थॉट कि लंदन जब जाऊंगा तो वहाँ पे आई क्लिक पिक्चर्स, पर अनीश बोल रहा है कि यार यहाँ पे खिंचवा ले, लंदन का भरोसा नहीं, बिकॉज बहुत लंबे लंबे लाइन्स क्यूज लग जाते हैं वहाँ पे. जस्ट लाइक यू हैव टू वेट फॉर लॉट ऑफ टाइम जस्ट फॉर गेटिंग योर पिक्चर क्लिक्ड. तो इसीलिए मैं सोच रहा हूँ यहाँ पे खाली यहीं पे फ़ोटो उठा के आई फिनिश टास्क. एंड दिस इज़ बाय द वे दिस इज़ अ हिडन पब, and this like these are the traditional post boxes, and यहाँ पे लिखा है Saturday. That means okay, इधर पूरा लिखा है last collection time Monday to Friday, Saturday 7 AM. उस दिन को they collect the letters. Okay. So this is the city library. And
This is Lyceum.
which
This one.
that is
Lyceum.
Lyceum. What's that?
I'll tell you.
Okay.
That's Crucible.
Crucible.
Both of these two are theatres.
Theaters, huh?
So last rehearsals for Harry Potter and
Yeah.
all of these movies,
Yeah.
they have happened here. It's a very famous,
Ah.
very famous theatre.
Really? Okay. And what is this?
This is Winter Garden.
Winter Garden. Okay, are we gonna go inside? Okay. Okay. पहले Winter Garden का fact बता दे.
So this is basically a biosphere kind of a thing. It's
Okay.
got everything that you need in a botanical garden. Is just contained in a specific area.
Okay. And the speciality of about this is who inaugurated this?
Queen Elizabeth.
Queen Elizabeth ने inaugurate किया था Winter Garden को. Let's get in. Used by man for 9,000 years. Okay, okay. Tequila is made using which one? This. Is this the one?
I'm not sure. It might be this one.
Okay. Ah, this one. See the photo. So इससे tequila alcohol बनता है. So this is Chapel Walk.
Thank you so much. Have a nice afternoon. Would you like one?
Sure. Happy Halloween to
Happy
you.
Halloween.
Bye bye.
Bye bye. Thank
Bye-bye.
you.
So I got this. So किस्मत थोड़ा सा चमक गया है यहाँ पे, sunlight we can see, but that side it's still dark.
Typical UK weather.
Typical?
UK weather.
Typical UK weather, yeah. So this is Sheffield Cathedral and I have no idea कितना पुराना होगा ये, around do you
idea.
have any idea?
No idea. Would be very old.
We can go in, right?
Yeah.
अंदर चलते हैं, but I'm not sure if I can shoot or not, but I'll try. If possible होगा then I will. And Anish is showing a very different kind of thing. ये आपको देखने में लग रहा होगा that this is normally you know like walkway, पर यहाँ graves है. I'm not stepping there, but you can see names वगैरह लिखा हुआ है. So people have been buried under this. So कोई भी चल के चले जाएगा if people.
Normal people just walk.
Now it's looking pretty. रात को आओ तो इधर देख के. But anyways, such a magnificent church, man. Just wow. Crazy.
This is the tram train service to Parkgate. The next stop by request will be Hyde Park.
So right now we are traveling in tram and we are going to Meadow Hall. Nice. Check the speed. Speed, yeah. That picked up the speed. Rotherham Park Gate. So this is Tinsley Meadow Hall South. From here we walk to Meadow Hall. Welcome to Meadow Hall. So now we are in Wetherspoon and I'm having my usual hot chocolate and we have ordered chips and chicken. By the way, this is French fries in India, but people call it as chips, right? तो फ्रेंच फ्राइज इज चिप्स हियर, एंड जो चिप्स हम खाते हैं लाइक पोटैटो चिप्स एंड ऑल, दैट इज crisps. Okay, and we've got, what is that?
Pint of Guinness. A pint of Guinness.
Show it. What is it? Like, what's the
Guinness.
special thing about this?
It's a stout.
Okay.
It's got its brewery in Dublin.
Okay.
For people who have acquired a taste of stouts, this is one of the best alcoholic beverages you can have.
Okay. Take a sip. And show us the, you know. Man, I told you to take a sip. This is just a sip.
The first sip you take,
Okay.
you need to cut the G.
Okay. Did you?
Yep.
Alright. Okay, he did, huh? Oh, okay. So that is Meadow Hall, and यहाँ से we took the exit, है ना? अभी which way? What is this? Like these houses?
The bus interchange.
Bus interchange. Okay.
So this is for public transports within the city,
Okay.
intercity transports,
Okay.
also buses to Belgium, France, Germany.
From here.
Yeah.
That's nice. चलिए अब. So we are going back to home. Meadow Hall interchange, and this is tram station. यहाँ पे ट्रैम स्टेशंस कुछ इस तरीके के दिखते हैं, एंड यहाँ पे एक ट्रैम खड़ा भी है और वो अनिश वहाँ पे खड़ा है. अभी यहाँ पे बारिश हुआ है, बट एक चीज़ जो मुझे यहाँ पे अच्छा लग रहा है, यूजुअली मुझे बारिश पसंद है नहीं. आई टोटली डिसलाइक रेन, क्योंकि जब बारिश होता है तो ह्यूमिड हो जाता है थोड़ा. एंड वन थिंग जो मैंने नोटिस किया है, यहाँ पे ह्यूमिड नहीं है ना, देयर इज़ आई वुड से काइंड ऑफ ज़ीरो ह्यूमिडिटी है ना. सो उसी लिए बारिश होने से भी यू डोंट फील दैट किच वाला जो फीलिंग आता है, दैट इज़ नॉट हियर. एंड वेदर इज़ नाइस काइंड ऑफ, इट्स ठंडा है, बट जब ठंड बढ़ जाता है देन यू स्टार्ट फ्रीजिंग, है ना. एंड अनिश बोल रहा था कि शेफील्ड में कभी कभार स्नोफॉल भी होता है. एवरी ईयर टेम्परेचर गोज डाउन टू -11. सो दैट्स इट गाइज. आज था मेरा सेकेंड डे इन शेफील्ड एंड वी कवर्ड, सबसे पहले वी वेंट टू मूर मार्केट, राइट? मूर मार्केट, देन विंटर गार्डन, देन कैथेड्रल के सामने ही हम फिर से आ गए हैं. कैथेड्रल, एंड देन वी वेंट टू मीडो हॉल, देन वी ट्रैवल्ड इन ट्रैम. क्या चल रहा है भाई? बाकी सारे तो आपने व्लॉग्स में देख ही लिया, इतने सारे स्पॉट्स हमने किया. अभी इट्स वेरी कोल्ड एंड विंडी एंड बारिश भी शुरू हो गया है, तो आज का व्लॉग मैं यहीं पे एंड कर रहा हूँ. आई होप आपको अच्छा लगा होगा. Thank you so much for watching this video. Don't forget to like, share and subscribe my channel with the bell icon. Bye bye बोल दे. नेक्स्ट व्लॉग में मिलते हैं, और मैं कैमरा भी रखने वाला हूँ. बारिश बहुत ज़ोर से होना शुरू हो गया है. बाय बाय.